Okay, the next thing that I'm going to share with you is called Mind Yeti. This is something newer that we have used in the past couple of years that we have used as like an SEL supplemental thing just to help our kids better understand their feelings and how to cope with certain things. And so here is the home page. It's nice because you can use English or Spanish, and so you're ready for whatever you need, okay? And then you can come down here and explore the library, and it just kind of shows you how each of these things work, or you can just go straight into these videos. Up here I'm going to show you these moments that we have. So you can choose calm down, focus, get along, rest, create, or sleep. So it's not necessarily only for school, but you can use it at home with your kids as well. And each of these things, if you look, it says 7 sessions, 9 sessions. Okay, so it's not just one video, but it's things that you can continually use to work on with your kids. These powers that they have over here, these are the powers that we are working on, and it's just all about controlling your thoughts and your body senses, and just breathing, kindness, all of these things that are important for us to teach our kids in classes and in our schools. And then you also have this favorites button over here. If there are certain things that your kids like to use more often, you can save them in here and just always have them. This is something that I have not used as often as some of the other things that I will show you, but it is nice to have as a resource to know, like, if my kids are super crazy for the day, maybe we just need to take a breath over here. And these are more calm and kind of an instructional, as opposed to the Go Noodle, which are kind of fun and just getting the kids moving. And so that would be the difference that I would say in between those two that I've shown you already.